How to turn off the professional account into your Instagram. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn off your professional or the creator account into your Instagram. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram and here you have to go into your profile. Now you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go in the settings and the privacy. Now you just have to go into the for professional and click on the creator tools and the controls, and you have to click on the switch account type. Now you have to simply switch to your personal account, and here is the confirmation to switch to your personal account. You just have to select it, and after that you are able to turn off the professional account into your Instagram. Now you just have to go back and refresh it. So this is how you can do this. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.